Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to consider some extra questions based on trigonometry. So this is the example or the different type. Question is, if tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a and tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3, then find tan 60. So we have the value of tan 30. So what we can do, we can put a is equal to 30, then it becomes tan 60, so we can find the value. So we can start it. We have tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Putting a is equal to 30 हम पुट करते हैं 30 टू द 60, 2 tan 8 a को हमने 30 पुट किया, 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर 30, tan 30 इज गिवन 1 अपॉन रूट 3. रूट 3 को हमने डिनोमिनेटर में ट्रांसफर कर दिया, ब्रैकेट में हमने इसको सोल्व कर दिया 1 अपॉन 3. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 3 1 जा 3 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे 1 टू गेट 2, तो 3 डिनोमिनेटर में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, 2 कैंसिल्ड बाई 2. Now we need to rationalize it, so we get 3 root 3 upon root 3 से root 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, become 3 to cancel to 3 and get root 3, which is the value of tan 60. Now the next question. Solve फर्स्ट पार्ट इसका 2 sin 3x, this is very important for you, is equal to root 3. So we are going to how to solve the trigonometrical problem. In previous classes we have to learn how to solve a linear equation and the quadratic equation, linear equation in one variable or two variable. So solve means we have to find the value of x. For that, firstly we will need to transfer 2 in the other side. We get sin 3x is equal to root 3 upon 2. Value of root 3 upon 2 is sin 60. Therefore sin 3x is equal to, so you can put the value of sin, you can see the table and find out the angle whose value is root 3 upon 2 in sine, ratio of sine. So this is sin 60. So now you can see that since the trigonometrical ratios are same, so angle will also same. So therefore we get 3x is equal to 60. 3 से cancel कर देंगे, so x is equal to 20. This is answer. Similarly you can solve the another problem. One more questions. root 3 upon 2 tan 2x is equal to sec 60 minus sin 45 cos 45. What we can do, we have to put the values, then we need to simplify root 3 upon 2 into tan 2x is equal to sec 60, 2 minus sin 45 1 upon root 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2. So root 3 upon 2 इसको हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, गेट tan 2x is equal to 2 upon root 3, 2 minus 1 upon 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 में से 1 माइनस कर देंगे, 2 upon root 3 into 4 minus 1, 3 upon 2, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. Now we can rationalize it. root 3 upon root 3 is equal to 3 root 3 upon 3, 3 से 3 कैंसिल कर देंगे, get root 3. So we have now 2x, tan 2x is equal to root 3. Now you can see the table and see that which angle ratio is root 3 for the trigonometrical ratio 10. So which is tan 60. So tan 2x is equal to tan 60. So we get 2x is equal to 60. 2 से कैंसिल कर देंगे 30. तो x is equal to 30. This is answer. Next question. One more type. Solve 2 cosec square 30 plus x sin square 60 minus 3 upon 4 tan square 30 is equal to 10. So need to solve it. What you can do, you can put the value of cosec 30. 2 multiply, this is 2, there is the power 2, so put the power 2 plus x sin 60 root 3 upon 2 power 2 minus 3 upon 4 tan 30 1 upon root 3 give power 2 is equal to 10. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 2 2 जा पावर 2 4 4 2 जा 8 प्लस x मल्टीप्लाई 3 अपॉन 4 माइनस 3 अपॉन 4 इंटू 1 अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 10. 3 से 3 कैंसिल कर देंगे. सो नाउ वी हैव 3x अपॉन 4 इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 8 को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. 1 अपॉन 4 ट्रांसफर करेंगे बिकम प्लस 3x अपॉन 4 10 में से 2 माइनस कर देंगे इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 गेट 4 2 जा 8 और 1 9 अपॉन 4. 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. गेट 3x इज इक्वल टू 9. 3 3 जा 9. सो x इज इक्वल टू 3. दिस इज द आंसर. Next question. Within your book NCERT also, if sin a minus b, if sin a minus b is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos a plus b is equal to 1 upon 2, find a and b. So there are two variable a and b we need to find, so that's why there are two equations. We can start it. We have sin a minus b is equal to 1 upon 2. So now you can see the value of angle who in ratio for the trigonometric ratio of sine, whose value is 1 upon 2. So sin a minus b that angle is sin 30. So this is sin 30. So we get a relation since trigonometrical ratios are same. Don't cross sine to sine. इसको काटा नहीं लगा देना आपको, otherwise it become wrong. Is equal to 30. Equation number first. Now you can solve the unknown relation. This is cos a plus b is equal to 1 upon 2. So in cos the value ratio angles whose trigonometric ratio is 1 upon 2, that is cos 60. So we get a plus b is equal to 60. Give name second. Now solve By solving, you can solve them by elimination method. By solving, A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 15. Answer. Next question. If theta is an acute angle and question if theta is an acute angle and sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find 2 cot square theta minus sin square theta plus 1. So what you have to do? Firstly, you have to solve for theta, the given equation, and then get the value of theta, then put the value of theta, then you can get the value of this one. So you can start the solution. You write, we have sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. When there are two variables, you can transfer one in other side. So get sin theta is equal to cos theta. Cos को अब ट्रांसफर कर देंगे टू मेक द सिंगल रिलेशन. sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. You know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypo. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypo. You can divide both them, get sin theta upon cos theta. So P upon H upon B upon H. Cancel H to H, get P upon B, which is the ratio for tan theta. So that's why sin theta upon cos theta become tan theta. So we have tan theta is equal to, or in tan value of 1 for angle tan 45. So we get theta is equal to 45. Now we need to find the value. 2 cot square theta minus sin square theta plus 1. Give the command putting theta is equal to 45. So 2 multiply cot square 45 minus sin square 45 plus 1. 2 into cot 45 is 1 square minus sin 45 1 upon root 2 plus 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 1 to the power 1, 2 become 1, 2 1 जा 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, 2 और 1 3, 3 minus 1 upon 2, 3 to the 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 2, which become the answer. One question, if 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta, the same question, is equal to 2, then find theta, means we have to solve it. So there are two variables, 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2. This is the solution we have. Here we need to, there are two variables, so we need to change any one of them, because in trigonometrical we can transfer some trigonometrical data into one another. हम इनको चेंज कर सकते हैं. So you can learn the relation since sin square theta प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो ये रिलेशन को हम यूज करेंगे. तो वी कैन यूज इट साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. वी कैन चेंज इट. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 2 और 1 बिकम 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया. सो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू टेकिंग रूट बोथ साइड तो वी गेट साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 विच इज साइन 90. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90. So these are the extra questions for some specific angle. Tomorrow we will consider the complementary angles. Thank you.